This is Charles from the Keyless Key Shop in Fort Wayne, Indiana. Today we are going to program a 2005 Mini Cooper. The customer has a key like this, which has a rechargeable battery, but his rechargeable battery is gone. So we have to program him a new one that looks like this. To do that, we have to go under BMW, and then you got two that are listed. For this particular vehicle, we're doing 315 megahertz. Some other ones may take the 433 megahertz.
We'll be right back, sir.
Here's the Mini Cooper. As you see right now, none of the buttons work for any of these. To program one of these, you have to have the doors all the way closed. And then you stick the key in the ignition. And you do the first click, take the key out. For this, you have to hold the unlock button down and hit the lock button until it accepts it. This one was 8 times. And then just as a verification, I have a second remote. Hold the unlock button down. And that was 10 times. And now, if you look, it unlocks and locks. We figured out for most of the key die, you have to hit the buttons twice in order for them to unlock and lock. And this is, once again, Charles from the Keyless Key Shop, and how to program a remote for a 2005 Mini Cooper.